Welcome to Chilean Expat Family. I'm Jim Dorchak. Back in 2013, Lori, my wife, and I, we moved ourselves and our 3 children to Chile for an adventure. It just seemed to us that living at the end of a cul-de-sac and working all day long, all month, all year long, paying taxes, and not having anything to show for it just was not living for us. It wasn't getting it. So what we did is we moved here. We just up and sold everything and moved. We did some research. But when we got here, there was no one here to help us get through what we were doing. Accurate information about buying land, immigration, building a house, that just wasn't available. I couldn't find it, and what I did find was not factual, and sometimes it was flat out lies. You can see this in my first videos. I was painfully navigating Chilean culture, Chilean law, Chilean immigration, purchasing things, buying land, finding property. All that stuff is just, I had to learn it, and there was nobody here to help me. I didn't want anybody else to go through that. So what did I do? I created a group in Telegram called Chilean AtSPATFamily. I have a team in there of Chilean experts, immigration attorney, tax attorney, doctor, dentist, builders, a mechanic, all of them speak English. I created this group to answer your questions about Chile, help you decide if you want to or need to or can move to Chile and how to do it safely and as cheaply as possible while getting good information. Also, this is really important. If you are looking for something to read up on Chile, you should buy Lori's Ultimate Guide to Immigrating to Chile. It's in its 3rd edition and it's available at ChileanExpatFamily.com. It's really good and it's very accurate for people interested in moving to Chile. See you in Telegram, and I hope you come join us. Mountain over there in the distance, beautiful. More. Beautiful day here. You can see the snow-capped volcanoes over there in the distance, mountains. Yeah. It is just beautiful here. And their new greenhouse over there. There's a house with the blue roof on it over there. Yeah, I saw it. Those are the Andes out over there. Yeah. The view they wake up to every morning. Terrible, isn't it? How do you stand it? No neighbors, no noise. Just beautiful. Thomas looking at their greenhouse and their garden. It is spring in Chile. Grass is green and thick right now. There's their garden. Underway. Big garden. Debbie's intense. She does stuff serious. No playing around. Yeah. Here's Thomas running John and Debbie's track hoe, little Komatsu. It's a nice machine. Not too small, not too big. Debbie's the woman over there teaching him how to run it. Fun machine to run. He's been sitting on it for 5 minutes and he's just kind of feeling his way around. This is Thomas running John, and Debbie's over behind me. Their excavator on their farm. Yeah. A little windy today. Thomas never run an excavator. He's enjoying it. It's like a toy. There's their new barn. Yeah. Very nice. you.